Gentle people, welcome back to the channel. Now look at this, what we have here. This is a friend of mine, his SC. I kid you not, if this isn't the cleanest SC in the US, something is wrong. Or should I say, one of the cleanest I've ever seen. Yeah. Go look. But if you saw this car, you would know. You'd have to be a person who's into cars to know. He came out to see the Zilla, you know. Now you tell me, look at that. Look at that. Look at this engine bay. Look at this engine bay. He's running a cast manifold, but this car is making, I believe, 870. Dusty, how much you make? 870 or 830 to the wheels. Yeah, and he's got a nice Mark IV Super that he never drives. It's a garage queen. And this is what he drives all the time. Look at it. It's a reason. I'm not saying they're not, you know, other SCs that look as good, but this is the cleanest one I've ever seen. Or should I say, one of the cleanest SCs around. Yeah. But them come for war with the Zilla and the Zilla already. Paint shop getting done. Yeah, when this baby is done, it will be for sale. Yeah, picked up the car this morning, looking good. Yeah, from Polton Paint. Got her a good job, baby girl there. I'll get some more footage later on. Looking good. All right, back from the paint shop as I stated yesterday. Doesn't look bad at all. Did a good job on the car. Yeah. Actually missed the spot right there. He didn't fix that well, but I'll sort it out. Yeah, so I ordered all the parts that I need. All the parts such as weather strips, all that good stuff. I got them from Nissan new. All that stuff, so it's time to get active and removing and replacing all these weather strips. All these rusted bolts. Got them all from Nissan, everything new, everything. Yeah. Fully restored OEM stuff. All these are gonna be changed. Got them all from Nissan. And this is the painter right here. show you what's in my truck from Nissan. So yeah, just got back from Nissan. Got everything in here, everything, weather seals, you name it, every single thing you can think of. All the weather strips, all that good stuff, everything. It's time to rip them apart. Well, I'm not sure about rip them apart. Rip these boxes apart and take a look at what's going on here, then get busy on the GTR. Yeah, so as I stated, it's gonna be a 1,000 horsepower build. 1,000 horsepower, I think that's the best route to go. Yeah, so see what's in this one here. Should be down like this. Can do this with one hand. Okay guys, so I'll be back again. Back. Gentle people, yeah, so Skyline is back from the paint shop as I stated before. So I started installing these new weather strips and so forth. Everything new from Nissan. Got them all. Did the other side already, so yeah. Install all these things and hopefully in few days the glass company can come and install the glass before I install engine and such. So yeah, that's what's going on. It's a bit of work, but we'll get there.